Makeup wipes have gotten a pretty bad rep over the last few years for containing skin irritating ingredients and being harmful to the environment, so I thought it would be cool to try out some highly recommended eco-friendly makeup removing alternatives. Just to be clear, by an eco-friendly alternative, I mean products that are multi-use and don't head straight into the trash after one use. Just for reference, I do have combination skin and I will be doing the same makeup look for each makeup remover. First up, we have the face halo. All you have to do is wet it with warm water and start gently wiping the makeup off. It has these special fibers that supposedly really get in your pores and remove everything. It's so wild how well makeup comes off with just one of these and warm water, nothing else. They come in a pack of 3 and can be cleaned in the washing machine up to 200 times, so you definitely get a lot of use out of them. I only needed one to get everything off. The makeup eraser is another reusable fiber cloth type of remover, and just like the face halo, all you need to do is wet it and remove your makeup. I do like that this one is bigger just because you get everything off a little faster. And it actually has 2 sides that do different things. The short fiber side is for makeup removal and the long fiber side is for exfoliating. These will supposedly last you 3 to 5 years, which is great. The instructions say you can hand wash it and hang it to dry after using it, but try to machine wash it at least once a week. It's supposedly antibacterial. Next up, we have the Pond's Cold Cream Cleanser. People have been telling me to try this out for years. Cold cream is one of the oldest ways to remove makeup. I'm talking hundreds and hundreds of years old. You basically just apply a layer to your face and start working it in to break the makeup down. Then you can remove it with a washcloth. This remover is 50% moisturizer, so it's gonna leave the skin feeling hydrated. I know my skin tends to feel really stripped and dry after taking my makeup off, so I loved how soft it felt after using this. Also, this is $5, so it's a good, affordable option. Just a warning though, the stuff has an intense florally fragrance, so if that's not your thing, make sure you try the fragrance-free version. Of all the makeup removers I've tried, Micellar Water is still my makeup remover of choice. I love this Bioderma Sensibio H2O Micellar Water. I just put some on a reusable cotton pad and swipe the makeup off. Micellar Water contains micelles, which help pull all the dirt and makeup from your skin. I typically follow it up with my normal cleanser, but a cool thing about Micellar Water is that you don't need to rinse it off afterwards, so it's super quick and easy. Plus, unlike my experience with makeup wipes, it doesn't burn my eyes at all when I'm removing eye makeup. Cleansing balms are another great alternative. This oat cleansing balm from the Inkey list is super thick. It has almost like a Vaseline-y texture. You work this into the skin and it'll break the makeup down, then you rinse it off. I think people with dry skin will really like this one because it has oat kernel oil that supposedly helps your skin's moisture barrier so it feels hydrating even after you rinse. Side note, this does have sweet almond oil in it, so beware all my friends out there with nut allergies. And lastly, we have another super popular cleansing balm, the Then I Met You Living Cleansing Balm. I remember Hiram saying he loved this one. Don't you just want to eat this? Once again, you just have to work this into the skin and rinse. This has sea buckthorn oil in it, which is supposed to soften and protect. And it also has a lot of other great ingredients like olive oil and vitamin E to nourish the skin. This is definitely a pricier remover, but because you need so little to get the job done, I think this will last you a very long time.